What's up, guys? It's your boy E from God Guns and Glory, man. Today, I'm gonna do a quick review on CROSSBREED holsters. I got the LDS 2.0 system, and I also have the mag holder for it. When I first got this, because I'm looking for something for my Glock 43X with the TLR 6 on it, the light is cleared, shoot in a safe direction. Now, this particular holster is interesting, and I say that because I don't like it. It came in like this. Like if you look here, it's all scraped up already before I even like tried it. There's like wear and tear here. And it just looks really cheap. When I first got it, there's a rip. Where is it? There's a rip right here. You can see it right there. It's already folding up, as you can see, right here. I got it like this. And another problem that I had was when I put my gun in there, in the holster, you see this right here, the clip? I have no clearance. I have no clearance, absolutely. Every time I go to draw, it hits my finger hits this clip, and it hurts, it bothers. I can't get a good purchase. I gotta do it like this. That's not a good purchase. That's not a good draw right there, right? So there's no clearance here between this clip and the handle where I go. You can clearly see it. I'm hitting it. Like, there's just no way. Now, yes, I could adjust this, put this on the bottom to raise it, right? But if I do that, and I already did it, what's gonna happen is when I put it on, as you can see, this is real low. It's real low. I gotta do it this, like every time like this, and that's not good, that's not safe, right? And when I lift it to put it up higher, when I adjust this right here, and I put it on the bottom to make it go higher, this whole holster is basically like this. I kid you not. It's like almost like it's gonna, let me see if I can put it halfway on. It's almost like it's gonna like fall off. Yeah, I got a little stomach. Maybe it gives people with stomachs with a nice gut a problem, but for me, this ain't gonna work. I'm not gonna be able to, because if I'm going like this, and I have a tighter shirt on, granted I have a loose shirt on because it pokes out. I don't want to print. You're gonna see it. Hey, look at that, you're gonna see it. So I usually wear a large. This right here is an extra large. So with that being said, there's a lifetime warranty on these things. I mean, I guess it says it on my email, but they gotta work on this. I don't like it already just because of this, you know? And yeah, I can adjust it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna adjust it right now. If I'm gonna do a video, I might as well do it 100%, right? So let's just get to it. And I'll show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. Now, the mag, I love the mag. The mag is no joke. I like it. It's awesome. It holds really well. But that's not what I need. I need a holster. I need a gun. I need a holster for my gun. So for the 43X. So watch this. So now if I lower it, I'm sorry, let me correct that. I'm gonna put it to the top hole, not the bottom one. I'm sorry. Apologize for that. Because as I'm doing it, I get confused. But I have it now. I'm dropping it low. All right. I'm not doing no edits on this video. This video is gonna be straight through. When I give it to you, I gotta give it to you 100%. I gotta tell you, I gotta be real with you guys. I don't wanna sugarcoat nothing. If I don't like the product and I feel like it's not good, I'm gonna let you know. That's just how it is. I don't get no sponsor from these guys. I don't look for that. I just look for honesty, and I hope when I watch videos that these guys are honest. And for some reason, I got this because I watched the video. And it goes to show that not every YouTuber is honest with their opinions about other people's products because they want to get money out of them or they want to get sponsors and stuff. And that's the goal, but the goal is to tell the truth too at the same time, not to sugarcoat nothing, you know? So now look, so another reason, another problem. I put it lower, right? See how low it is? I put it to the top one, not the bottom one. Look at this. Look at it, you can see it. You can see it. That's gonna be a bother when you put it on, right? So let me show you. Put it in. It's a nice, it clicks in good. It has this thing on the side, right here. You put the alley range in there and you turn it one way and it's an arm that's inside, it opens up and it clicks in. It's perfect. I like that part, I like that, but everything else I don't like. So now look, there's a little bit of clearance here, right? Boom, right? Now watch this. Look how high my gun is. Yeah, I got the clearance. I could do it, come around, right? But now look. I have an XL shirt on and I see where my print is. I can see the print. You know, not this side too much, but if I'm walking, you're gonna see that print. You know, and look how high it is. It's high. I want mine tucked low, but with the clearance like this. If I can get this clearance, I'll be good. But get the clearance, got the full purchase, come up this way, you know, that's good. That's good. But when I sit down, after a long day, that metal, let me just take it out now. This metal right here is gonna dig into your skin, man. You know, it's gonna be a problem. When you go to bend down and you go pick something up, you go tie your shoe or anything like that. I'm not knocking CROSSBREED. I'm not knocking CROSSBREED holsters, but I'm just being honest, man, 100%. I don't want this holster no more. Look how it came in. Like, if you could see, like, there's little cracks already in there, right on top. You could see it already peeling. And this is how I got it from the company, man. That's not cool. I don't want something like this when I first get it. You could see it. You know, I mean, I think this is cowhide leather or whatever it is. I'm not sure. I didn't really look into it once. I mean, I saw a video. I was like, oh, this looks nice, and I purchased it because I needed a holster for my 43X, my Glock 43X, and it's a disappointment because so many things wrong with it. If you look in the inside here, like right here, you see a little fade. That's for me putting in the gun. You can see it right there. For me putting in the gun is scratching this inside. Before you know it, it's gonna be all tore up, you know, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Now I gotta search for a new holster. I'm gonna return this back. Let's see what happens. I'll probably return it back. I'll probably use it for now. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think about this. This is the LDS 2.0 system. If anybody's having any problems with theirs, if not, help me out because I don't know what's going on. The way this came in really, it's not customer satisfying for me, at least, my personal opinion. I don't know about anybody else. But then this right here is really concerning. You know, not when you stand up and you walk, you know, but when you bend down, you tie your shoe, you pick something up, you take something, pick it up, throw it in the garbage. Within time, this is gonna be digging into you. So it's your boy E from God Guns and Glory, man. When I do a video, I try to be honest as best I can. And again, this is my opinion. I would like to hear from you guys that do have this type of holster from CrossBREED holsters, and just let me know like if I'm doing something wrong. Drop a comment down below. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button. I'm always uploading content. You know, when I do purchase things, I try it out for a while, and then I'll do a video to see, you know, and then let you guys know and just be honest with the product that I buy. So this is your boy, man. As always, man, it's love, peace, and happiness. Peace out.